Yo, 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 what's up, people? Welcome back to another stream after a very, very, very long time of me not streaming. So, yeah, welcome back to a stream. Guys, the market is just extremely giga boring. So, there is not much to say. Not many people are watching crypto content. So, that's the reason of me not being very active, pretty much. um, I miss so much to work. So I got a lot of messages from you guys, like in comments, in DMs, like in everywhere. Hey, bro, when you gonna do a stream, bro? We wanna watch, we wanna have a fun. So I said I will do today. So yeah, I miss to work a lot. Like I really miss to make videos, miss to make live streams, I miss to make all of these craziness because I love my job. But it's just the market. You just see what the market basically is, and it was now is finally recovering a little bit, but in general it was just like giga boring. Anytime we had a bounce, Bitcoin bounced, Trump came out of with his bad news. It's like if he has like a 15 bad news in his drawer, and then every time the market pumps, he just bang, he just come up with some stupid tariffs or taxes or anything that he can think of to crush the market. So basically, what you need to do is that Trump needs to crash the market. Trump wants to crash the market to in order to pay back the debt, certain amount of debt that US has, and they have like $37 trillion in debt, I think, which is like fucking insane. Obviously, he doesn't want to pay back all of that, but the interest rate is high, and he wants to lower the interest rate in order to obviously have to pay less, in the debt. So I think now it's 4 point something the interest rate. He wants to lower it to, I don't know, 2% or something, and then they would save a lot of money. And because if you're talking about trillions of dollars, 2 or 4% is a huge difference. So yeah, Trump is basically playing the game. I think this tariff that he come up with didn't really, he didn't really succeed because the market kind of reacted, so, and especially the biggest country that basically they wanted to win against didn't work out because China just mirrored them. Basically, they just gave back the same tariffs that America gave to China. China just gave it back, so they didn't really achieve anything with that. So yeah, whether we're gonna pump now or not. I mean, market is pumping right now. BTC is pumping right now, but don't forget that we still have not. I think it pumped actually quite fast, quite a lot. So I wouldn't really get too excited yet. I wouldn't really FOMO because you can see here this like downtrend is still basically intact, still on. So we just touched this line, but if basically we're gonna close like in a week time, like this candle above like where we are now, this 83 84k, then I would say okay, not bad, and then but in general I think we need to go above like this 95k area to be able to be a bit of bullish in general. So I wouldn't get too excited on this. So yeah, so yeah, I wouldn't get excited, guys. I know it's nice, and we had a big bounce, but it's just take it with a grain of salt. I wouldn't FOMO in. I wouldn't deploy all those. If you have any stables, I would wait because this can come down again to this like 80k area and so on. So just easy. It's amazing to see what we're seeing right now, that the market is coming back, and yeah. It's basically because Trump delayed 90 days these tariffs. So people think that in the next 90 days the market gonna pump, which to be honest I don't think so, because he's gonna come up with some. So basically this plan that he had didn't work out, but he's gonna come up with another plan. So I don't know. I would be cautious. I think next like 2 months gonna be choppy. To be honest, in the next 2 months, if we would be between 85 to 90k, would be amazing result in my opinion, because that would signal that we are out of this area here, this dump. So yeah, between 90 95, would be amazing. And if we go above 95, then I would say I would be bullish. So just every time we're gonna get like some red candle because he's gonna come up with some more bad news. So every time we're gonna get like a red day, just get some more DCA to quality project you think is gonna do well, and that's it. But yeah, just don't FOMO. Amazing what we see right now, but yeah, just don't FOMO just yet. So um, hope everyone is well. We have 7 people live, which is great in this market. So yeah, guys, let me know what projects you guys are buying. Come to say hi if you want. So drop me your projects and I will review them as we used to before. So yeah, drop me your projects and I will go through the projects you guys have. And yeah, just have a good Friday chill, basically Friday chill night, chill chill evening. So yeah, drop me your gems and we're gonna crack on. Hope everyone is well. Hope everyone is alive after this fucking crazy past 3 months. Like the thing is, like everyone was expecting like the first quarter to be like insanely amazing new year. January, February, March. Always like AI is pumping, gaming is pumping, everything. It didn't pump fuck all. So you know so yeah, everyone is bored, everyone is annoyed, but hey, like, I mean, it is what it is. To be honest, I don't really stress too much. I don't really stress too much about the market. Like it is what it is. Like, I mean, I know it's gonna come back, I know it's gonna recover, so it's just like, what, like, do anything else, guys. Have fun, go to gym, go, enjoy your life. Don't watch the charts every day. So I watch time to time, like few times a day, to see what's happening. Where I don't really stress too much about it, because in what you guys need to remember is that always enjoy the journey, not the destination. So enjoy this journey, because when you're gonna make it, and when you're gonna get there and you're gonna become a millionaire, then you're just gonna think back then that actually it was fun. Maybe in the current situation you don't think it's like fun, because it's like a fucked up market, right? But once you make it, and when the market starts to pump and everything is like, you're gonna enjoy it looking back. So it's a lesson always in life. You always learn. The most important thing is, like, how they say in life is like not what happens to you, but the way you react to it. So just so yeah, just relax, chill. The financial freedom is coming. Trump is a businessman, so Trump is not a usual politician to dump the market and care a fuck about the market. He's a businessman, right? So he came from a business background. So Trump wants to dump the market, pay off the debt, and then he's gonna pump the shit out of it, like how he did with his meme coin, and he pumped Solana to 200 and I don't know, 80 $90, something insane. Same story gonna happen to stocks, to crypto, to everything, to Bitcoin. So yeah, he put in place all these crypto bullish people. We don't really see the result at this point, because he has a huge debt that Biden and his gang left. Him to fix, and all that. So yeah, it's not really what we expected from Trump to do, but at the same time, I understand his point of view. And to be honest, if you crush the market, obviously you can make much bigger gains from there, because obviously they count from the bottom to the top how much he's gonna pump it. So yeah, and he is obviously invested as well. His company has bought a lot of crypto as well, so he has millions and millions of dollars in crypto. So he's not stupid to lose his own money. If he knows that he can pump his money back, his portfolio back, and everything, he's gonna do it. It's just he's just not stupid. So to get to be a president of USA, you can't be stupid. You know what I mean? Except you are Biden, because Biden is a different league. But I mean, he was lucky. Okay, guys, drop me your projects, drop me your gems, and then we can start. Drop me your projects. What are you buying right now? Pigos, what's up? Whoa, first time I see you charting, bro. I have actually done before as well. It's not like something messy. It's just the obvious thing. Like I don't go into too deep in this. I might do videos on chats, but it's just I don't know. I normally never did it. I did it on the live streams, but not on the videos. So yeah. Um, Drop me your projects, drop me your gems, and then I will crack on. Let me know, guys, what projects are you buying right now? I would be curious to know what you guys are accumulating in this moment. Let me know in the comment section. We have 9 people watching. We have 5 likes, so drop a like as well. Drop a like as well. Cheers. Check out Gun. So yeah, I've seen Gunzilla, and I remember that you were mentioning it before as well, that you want to that it was a lot of huge expectation for this Gunzilla token. I think they launched it just on at like a horrible time, really. It has bounced 4.3 cents to 5.5. So yeah, it had a quite huge crash. I remember at launch, well, yeah, 11 cents. Holy shit! Like it dumped all the way to like 4 cents. It had a pump and then it had a dump again, and now it's coming back again. So I know it's listed on Binance and all that. It's on crypto.com, Binance, and huge expectation. The thing with this is like the circuiting supply is it's basically like what 7%. 7%, so 700 million tokens are out of 10 billion, so 7% is out. I mean, it's normal for a new coin. It was a huge hype around it, it's 38 million market cap, the current market cap, compared to 141 million, which is the fully diluted. It's on Avalanche, and obviously it pumped at the time Avalanche as well, because it was like high expectation for the project. I see now it's listed on Kraken as well. Wow. Kraken and Binance, like a lot of pairs as well. USDC, FDUSD, BNB. Holy shit! Wow, that's great. Well, I mean, if Binance lists, then everybody else wants to list the token. So, I think they launched it at the wrong time. I heard that they basically wanted. I heard that they apparently promised that they're gonna launch in Q1. So another lesson learned, to not promise any like deadline for a project, like when you're going to launch a project, because you just never know. Because basically the whole point of launching a project makes sense only when the market is hot and the market is strong. And we couldn't really say in this Q1, because this Q1 was the worst Q1 I think ever, like pretty much. So yeah, never promise anything, because it's launching a project is all about market sentiment, and the market sentiment is not good right now. So yeah, they wanted to launch as they promised. That's what I heard. But as you can see, it wasn't the best move, because obviously the price is down. They launched at 11 cents. It's now 50% down, and it was all the way down to 4.1 cents. So yeah, look, it's on strong exchange, which is good. I think it's gonna be a huge push. Probably they're gonna pay like insane amount of like influencers off the grid, is here as well. It was a huge hype. I think it's gonna do well. It can do like 20-30x probably. I haven't researched it too much, because the market is just sucks. Market is just extremely giga boring. So I wasn't really sitting down to research it. But I know it was highly anticipated, highly. Why is this not loading? Was very much waited launch. I don't know. For some reason, it's not loading. YouTube sucks. So yeah, I think they're gonna pay like insane amount of influencers, and I think the biggest influencers probably backing it, like Alex Becker and Elliot Trades and all these huge guys probably backing it. So yeah, it probably is gonna do well. As soon as the market recovers, it will recover as well. Because if we see now the price that it recovered from 4 cents to like 5 cents, it means that it moves when the market moves, and obviously we are down now a lot. So when the market sentiment comes back, the bullish market sentiment, especially for gaming, like we really need something to pump this like gaming sector as well, because like it sucks. Like gaming sector was one of the worst performing like sectors like in this. I mean, the past year in general. Um, so it was, yeah, it was not doing much as well. Corpo is down to shit as well, you know. So yeah, it's good. It's hyped. It has strong community behind it. YouTube is gonna push it, so it's gonna do well. Gunzilla off the grid, yeah. So it's gonna be good. It's looking good as well. Obviously, it's a quality game and all that. But most importantly, is the listing what matters, and who is behind it, and who is running it, and who's gonna push it, because all these crypto coins is basically influencers who are pumping them. They wouldn't pump by themselves. So yeah, if influencers is gonna talk about it, it's gonna run. But look, man, this looks really good. Like the graphic is insane, bro. Holy shit! Wow, man, this graphic look good. Wow, it's good. It's good. I will research it more. I haven't researched basically nothing. I know they have this off the grid game. Um, I hope they're gonna come up with more games. I hope it's gonna be a gaming studio, not just one. It's gonna be a platform. So I guess um, they're gonna launch more games, and probably other companies can launch their games on their platform as well, something like that. Guns for games. Guns is built with you. The player is in mind. If you don't want to get involved with the NFT side of the game, you don't have to. You can fully enjoy OTG as free to play battle royale without a gameplay limitation. That's good. If you change your mind and want to try your hand on NFTs ownership, you can optimize in any time, benefit from what Guns has to offer, and have fun playing OTG at the same time. So it's a good game, but at the same time, like Shrapnel is a good game as well, and it dumped to shit. So obviously, Gunzilla is on higher level because they got straight away like the Binance listing. So they probably have like much more serious team, and like much better connections with all these exchanges and everything. So it's gonna do well. I just want to see introducing Guns on Binance launch pool. So yeah, Binance is pushing it big time. They have a launch pool for it as well, and yeah, I think it's gonna do well. I mean, considering the market cap for it, 38 million, the company probably can do like a 20-30x minimum. So yeah, I need to have a look. I need to check like the what you call it, the vesting as well. Then I can say more about it, but I think it's decent. Pico says, yeah, horrible time for sure. Yeah, so to launch this time is insane. But listed on major exchanges, yeah, it's on Binance. No unlocks for investors or private sales for a year. Wow, that's good. So I haven't checked, as I said, because the market it just sucks. So I didn't really research now coins because it's just dead. But yeah, if they don't have unlocks for a private sale investors, that's good. How about pre-sale? Is that the same? One egg is also a backer on Coinbase, so probably it's gonna get like Coinbase listing as well. Expect more games on their chain soon. Very good, very good. This is what I said. If they're gonna make it like a gaming studio like Gala, but just better, because Gala, I think they fucked up their project, changing the tokenomics afterwards, and like so many stupid things. The founders, suing each other, and so much of nonsense. So yeah, if they're gonna make the platform, good, and they're gonna basically launch a lot of games, is gonna be insane. Yeah, the fact they listed on Binance day one puts me the ease that it's safe. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's for everyone the same. Everyone is feel much safer when they see that Binance list them, and Binance listed them from the day one, which is obviously crazy. So yeah. 38 million market cap is great. I mean, man, I was looking at like Miria the other day, bro. Miria has the absolute fucking laziest team ever existing. Like, it's insane, bro. Like, I remember, like, ever since um drop your gems, guys, in the comment section. We have 9 people watching, so yeah, drop your gems and I will review your projects. Basically, I have never seen a lazier team than this Miria team. This is fucking insane, bro. Like, ever since I've been like following this project, they have the same amount of games. Nothing has been done. Like there is no development. This is insane. Like there was such a big hype for Miria. There was like a lot of influencers were pushing it. A lot of people were making videos on it. Alex Becker, like all these big, everyone was pushing like Miria, Miria. Bro, this Miria is dead. Like, and I'm not talking about. I don't have issue with the price action. Price everything sucks right now. I mean everything is down. But look at this publisher, Miria Studios. I mean, bro, are you fucking kidding me? I mean, here was one game already that they launched, but now even that one game disappeared. I don't know what this is ridiculous. So, a gaming studio that doesn't have a fucking single game. I mean, they had here one game which was already live, but I don't know which one was now. And then they have this Metaverse. So, I mean, you are a gaming studio, and you have project is out for how long? It's out for 2 years now. How old is this? So 2023, out since 2023, so like 2 years pretty much, almost 2 years. So Mirror is out almost 2 years, and they don't have a single fucking game out. Like, bro, is this real? It's like you are a gaming studio and gaming publisher. You only have games of other gaming companies launched on your platform, but you don't have a single game. What the fuck is this? They have nodes, they sold a lot of shit. Branding was quite cool as well and everything, but it's the most laziest team I ever seen in crypto. This is insane. Miria is a gaming ecosystem powered by Miria Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. What the fuck? There is no game, bro. There is no game. They have no games. Absolutely ridiculous. Published by Miria Studios, Meta Rush, which is coming soon. Bro. So nothing. Mamma mia. Like really fucking crazy, bro. So nonsense. So Miria sucks big time. Yeah, Miria has nodes, but what's the use of it? I mean, okay, they generate the token, but the token goes down forever because of the fucking team is not doing anything. I mean, they don't have a single game, a gaming studio that has not a single game out, bro. You have Corpo World has two games out, and two. One is like something that I like, it's like a good, like a first-person shooter game, and the other one is like the Animate, is like kind of like a Pokemon type of game, which I think kind of sucks because the idea itself sucks. I don't know how many people are actually playing that sort of games, but the shooter game is great, and the graphic is great as well. So for Corpo, and Corpo is just like much smaller in market cap. I mean, look at this, Miria, 23 million, and Corpo 3 million. So like, bro, like it's much smaller in market cap. Look at this. Corpo dumb to shit as well, like everything else done. But they're actually working. They're posting, they're tweeting, they're doing their own thing. 95% down with 4 sex listing, Bybit, Mexi, Geta, KuCoin. I mean, what can you ask for a 3 million market cap gaming studio to be active, to have 4 sex listings? It's like, and the thing is, like, it's not true that the team is dumping the tokens, because when you open these order books for Corpo as well, you're checking the what you call it, like the order books, and you can see that there is not many coins in the order book. So like the order book is tiny. It's like it's not like it's thick, on the sell side and nothing on the buy side, and that's why it's crashing. It's basically, if you would buy up now like a 600,000 tokens, which is not a lot of money, the token would slowly start to go up. I mean, look at this. So what's that? Let me calculate. So they are not dumping the tokens. It's just basically there is no buyer there, because the gaming narrative was like very long time ago, like a narrative, and people just don't place a buyer there anymore for gaming projects. They don't really want to buy gaming sector. So if you don't place a buyer there, obviously the order book from the exchange itself is quite tiny, and if someone decides to sell, and they decide to sell because nobody wants to buy, then obviously the price is going down. So it's just the way it is. So yeah, as soon as the volume comes back and then like the gaming sector comes back, I think what they would need to do is that they should. I don't know why this my calculator sucks. What the fuck is wrong with this? I don't know, my computer not having fun today. So basically, I think what they need to do is they need to like merge the two narratives, kind of like AI and gaming. And if they would make some like AI characters that basically if you can generate like an AI character for the gaming sector, and the AI character that you have generated you can use in certain games, I think that would be huge. So I mean, if you can make your own character, like I would make myself, for example, a character, and if I use my character in a game to play with myself, with my character in a game, that and some sort of collaboration combination like that with AI and gaming, I think that would cause basically the whole like a gaming sector to pick up as well a little bit and everything. So at this point, it just sucks. So they have to come up with a narrative. Like, just think about how much like hype and hype in general it was on AI and AI agents and then AI robots and then on all these things. And obviously the AI narrative performed the best, pretty much. Like it pumped a lot, but there was no like hype for gaming. Like, no, if you don't have any like development, like if they're not improving anything, if there is no development on the from big companies, big gaming studios, like top gaming studios, why the hell would the gaming sector pump? So they have to cause some sort of hype, some sort of development and everything. And if people see that they're developing and they're building the games, and gaming studios, they're dropping insane games and insane project, they're doing some collab with AI and everything to merge the two narratives, then they could pump. But they need to come up with something. GTA 6 as well is also expected for a while now. I don't know when they're going to launch. So yeah, that could be something, but I don't think it affects that much crypto. I don't think it's going to be that much of an impact for crypto. So yeah, but they have to develop something that is actually makes people interested, and then the whole narrative is just gonna explode like crazy. It's gonna pump like absolutely fucking crazy. So yeah, it is. That's the situation right now. 11 people watching, guys. Drop a like, would be highly appreciated on the stream, because the crypto sector is dead. The views are dead. It actually doesn't really make sense to do a live stream, but I'm doing it for the few of you who actually want to to watch, and who wants to watch after who cannot be alive, they can watch back the stream afterwards. Like, I got like a lot of DMs, like a lot of messages, DMs and comments as well. Hey bro, where are you? You're bullish on this, bullish on that. Where are you? Let's have a live stream. Everything. So yeah, I've decided to make one today. I'm happy to make streams every day. I'm happy to make videos every day. I can't wait to do it, but it just doesn't make sense. I came more to chit chat today with you guys, to have like a friendly chat than work, because there is market is dead. Any coin we mention, anything we mention, basically, whether it's the best coin in the world or the worst coin in the world, is not going to move, because the market just sucks. So it doesn't really make sense to make live streams and videos. And also and yeah, and obviously, because the market is boring, the people are not watching the crypto content. So that's the reason. That's the reason I don't do streams and videos. I'm happy to. I can't wait for the narrative to come back, and then I can work 15 hours a day like I used to. I can drop one video a day and one live stream a day. I have no issues. Drop a video in the afternoon, drop the live stream in the evening. Like, I'm cool with it. I'm not lazy to work. I miss the work so much, and I really want to do a stream, and I really want to work. It's just people are not here. People are not watching content. I see other like YouTube channels as well. Like big channels as well. 150,000 subscribers, and they have like 1-2K views. Like, what the fuck is that? So like, yeah, it's like people are not here. Interest is not here, which makes sense, because the market is boring. So it doesn't really make much sense to do crypto content. It's like, more like, if you're too bored, then you go live and then we can have a chat. Like it's just like, what I mean. But not to make money. It's like for entertainment purposes, because market sucks. So yeah. But actually, it's a good feeling to do a stream. Like I haven't done a stream for like I think like 30 days, 32 days, so like more than a month. So I missed it a lot, and yeah, I didn't forget how to stream and use the streaming platform and everything. So which is great. Okay, Chikatra, what's up? Hey Marco, good to see you again. What's your view on Treb? Any change in conviction? No, actually, I'm DCing. I want to buy more. Um, Treble is the best. Is like a great gem, really, to make money. I hold a big bag, and I still want to buy more. Let me find this thingy, the chart for Treble. It's at 25.5 cents right now. Is it this one? Yeah. So yeah, it's like 887K right now. So I think like 15 to 20 cents is basically gonna be the bottom for it. Like I really don't think it's gonna go like below 15, 10 cents, like worst case scenario, because that was the pre-sale price. So I don't think it's gonna drop lower. But I have some stables, and I'm still waiting like very patiently on the side to see what's gonna happen. I want to buy more, but obviously I want to get the most coins for my money. So I want to see like how low it's gonna go. But I mean, I have no doubt that it's gonna come back. I can show you basically one example, which was insane. Travel is the only V4 DEX on base chain. The Aerodrome and Alien Base basically are V3 DEXs. So this is gonna go crazy. So I just want to show you a comparison here, so you can understand why do I think it's gonna go absolutely fucking nuts. Alien Base. I want to show you like what Alien Base did at the launch, and what the hype it got, like what a pump it got, and then what a dump happened afterwards, and like what an insane. I think Alien did about 400x, basically like last year and a half. Look at this. So this is basically the chart for Alien Base. So Alien Base was I think the second. Or actually, I think it was launched maybe before Aerodrome. So the Aerodrome just had like a obviously much better connections, everything, so they got stronger listings. But I think Alien Base might be the first one. I'm not sure, but that's not the point. The point is this. So look at this. So this was launched. This was launched back in. It's a V3 DEX, and Trouble is a V4 DEX. So this was launched in August 2023. Basically, it went to like 25.5 million market cap, and it went to absolute shit afterwards, like absolute shit. So look at it. So it launched on 8th of August, 9th of August 2023. It went to 25 million market cap, and then it dumped to 200K market. Look at this. Absolute crazy, bro. Even 175 was the bottom, but for easier calculation, 200K market cap. So if you were buying here, which is basically like in comparison to Trouble, is basically where we are right now. Like this phase, somewhere here. It's either this phase here or this phase, but one of these two. So not far off, basically from the bottom. So this went from 200K market cap, so it dumped from 25 million to basically 200K. So it dumped like 99% or something. So look at this. Just count this. So basically, from 20 million market cap, it went to 95 million market cap. You know how much gains is that? Absolute crazy. My calculator on the laptop sucks. I don't know what's happening with him, but let me calculate this. So if you go and look like this, so 95 million was the top. So okay, so 95 million divided by 200K market cap, where it started from, it's 475x. Let me repeat again. 475x Alien Base did. this bull market, like literally a few months back. What was it? December, probably November. Yeah, the peak was November 26, 2024. 95 or something million, bro. 470x gain on alien base, which is only a V3 dex, not a V4. So basically, we are in this phase now with trouble here. This down here, either this one or this second one. So basically, is the we are very close to the bottom, very close to the bottom. But alien base went to 25 million and then down to 200k market cap, and Trouble went to something close to market cap. I think. Let's check actually. I think 15 million or something like that. I think Trouble. Let's have a look. I don't know either myself. Why is this not loading? Here we go. So it went to 13 million market cap. So it went from 13 million and is still holding at million. And the alien base went to 25 million and dropped to 200k. So look, if this would drop to like 300k, I would buy the whole project. Seriously, like bro, it's just gonna be a lol, because it's just like much more like quality. Dex is a V4, the only V4 on base. Like base is gonna be hot, base is gonna pump like crazy. And the Dex looks insanely well. Like it looks amazing. Like look at it, like a blue background. They have on ramp, off ramp, like crazy amount of shit. Like launchpad, like everything, cross chain swaps, like no way KYC for spending. Spend your crypto without the hassle of KYC requirements. Like it's just insane amount of things that they do. Is like the activity, like the community is just insanely active as well. I mean, like I can go now. 1,536 people are in the Telegram group of Travel, and basically it's the most fucking active. I mean, 6,000 Telegram groups, and this Travel Telegram group is the most active out of all. Like it's basically seriously like a lot of people are there. Like they're chatting every day and stuff. So it's like really, I mean, people believe in it big time. You know what I mean? And then like the Dex, it just looks good. They always update. They list new pairs as well, to trade. And one of the meme coins was listed as well not long ago. That basically that was also listed on Binance settings. So look at this, like the Dex just looks amazing, bro. Like they added this like chart as well. You can place like limit orders as well. Look at this. So they are doing like insane things, So it's I'm extremely bullish on it. You can see the price here as well. You can buy it with ETH as well, or also with USDC. So yeah, I'm gonna buy more. I'm just waiting for to see where the bottom is. Like DCA slowly. Like I'm not in rush anywhere. And I don't think the market gonna recover extremely fast. So like we have time to DCA this. So yeah. Trouble is amazing. I think is one of those coins that gonna make me like the biggest gains in this bull run. I mean, for me it's easy like $20 to $30 coin, easy 100x, because 100x would be 100 million market cap. Yes, they're gonna have a bit of dilution, but let's say 150 million market cap. It's nothing. It's nothing for a dex, So yeah, I'm extremely bullish on it, and I think it's gonna send. Like it's just gonna be crazy. I have a big bag. I bought pre-sale, so I'm getting everyday tokens, and I bought at 55 cents as well, like a big bag before, and I'm gonna buy another one. I don't know, at 15 cents or 20 cents or something. I'm gonna buy another huge bag, and I'm ready for a pump whenever it comes. So yeah, I'm very bullish on Travel. Pico says it's not out yet, but Avalon is a game that is in development that will integrate AI into game. For example, enemies get smarter and NPCs get to know you. Wow, that's good. So you see, like it's like probably like other people think of this as well. That they need to merge, narratives and everything. So they need to build something. You know what I mean? Like because if you are not building, it's like you have like other like layer one chains as well. Like no one who the fuck is using them? Like you know what I mean? Like for example on BNB as well. Like who's using BNB now? It's in top there, but nobody's really using. Like Solana was the most used chain and base. and Ethereum. Like Ethereum sucks, I think, with technology. I think it's like very old school technology, and obviously Solana outpaced them, and you have now Sui, Sei, and all these newer, platforms, newer layer ones as well. So yeah, new technology will come, and old technology will fail. As soon as we have like a hype on the market, Ethereum gas fees go to craziness. That's why Base was also performing well, because they are basically built on Ethereum blockchain. So, but with basically almost no fees, like very very low fees. So yeah, those projects gonna stay up, that work hard, and they develop and they build a lot of like new useful things and new useful projects that actually a lot of people gonna use, and then is actually like revolutionary, because Ethereum just sucks. It just sucks. Ethereum is a really good one for one thing. Now it's the EVM protocol it uses, but that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Like you can use it on all these Phantom, MetaMask, and all these Rabby wallet and all these wallets, but as a technology, it sucks. Like it's just useless. You know what I mean? So same like, for example, like Litecoin. Litecoin was a fork of Bitcoin, but like who the fuck is using Litecoin? I used to use Litecoin before, like Tron was like that much hype, and then I used like Litecoin for like transactions, because I didn't want it back then, to send Bitcoin, because obviously it's like very expensive to send Bitcoin from one address to another address. It depends, $20 to $50, $80 it was back in the time. So then I was using Litecoin because it was for pennies. So I was using Litecoin for transactions. Same as I use obviously Tron for sending USDT from one exchange to another, and then so on. But other than that, I don't really use Tron. I don't really use BNB. I don't use Avalanche. I don't use XRP. It's like totally useless. The only chain is useful there is Solana, the most adopted for a reason. Solana also has like some stupid features that basically you can't see the like the which is totally nonsense for me. On Ethereum chain, you can see like when you go to like token holders, and you can see like what is basically a contract, that like locked contract, that basically tokens are locked in the contract, or you can see that it's basically a hot wallet, someone's wallet, someone's Binance, Bybit, or whatever wallet. But on Solana, you can't really see it. As far as I know, if anyone knows, if you know, Pigos, how to check on Solana the what is a contract and what is a token, let me know. I don't know myself. What I heard is that basically you can't see what is in contract and what is in like it's a hot wallet, which is fucking nonsense. So every chain sucks on its own way, and also Solana is very centralized. But hey, I mean, it's from the alternatives that you have, it's the best. It's the best to use right now. Cheaper fees. A lot of meme coins was launching. A lot of gaming projects are launched. A lot of everything is basically launched on Solana. So not surprised that it reached like a high market cap, because it's the most used chain out of all. So yeah. Drop a like, guys, on the stream. We have only 7 likes. This is the reason why I'm not doing the streams. Like 10 people watching, only 7 likes. Like in a normal time, like I have like 50, 60, 70 people live, and like 50 likes by now, and I have 7 likes and 10 people watching. So it's like market sucks. Market is just like it's like if you're selling like the snow thingy, what's it called, the thing that you clean the snow with, what's it called, the fucking I can't think of it now. But it's like if you sell like swimming shorts in the wintertime on the ski resort, like it just doesn't make sense, because it's like it's not in season, you know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, people are not interested to watch. Like I mean, me personally, I don't watch really crypto content either, because there's nothing to watch. Nothing is happening. Here and there, I watch like Crypto Banter's stream, because you have like obviously a lot of info, which is the only thing relevant now, because I don't really like to watch stupid news and stuff. But now it's the only thing we can do, because it's everything depends of Trump and Trump's stupid tariffs. So Crypto Banter is a good I think the best channel to watch for the news. Don't watch, don't follow his meme coins and shit coins he's shilling, but just watch for the news and you'll be good. So yeah. Same for Solana, Sui, etc. will say that sucks in 4 years too. Yeah, if they look, it's like any business. If you don't develop the product, someone else will develop a better one, and they will outpace you, and then basically you'll fail. So it's like if they don't develop the chain, it's just another one. They just another project gonna raise big money, and they're just gonna find good developers. They're gonna build something new, and that's it. It's like any business you're running, any business you have, you need to reinvest into the business. And that's it. Without reinvesting, you can't just take out the money of the business. You need to reinvest in the marketing, in development, in everything in order to run. So yeah, new tech is coming. If they're not keeping up, they will fail. And simple as that. It's like with any business in life. So right now, it's a trader's haven because of the heavy volatility on Bitcoin. It's a great trading weather. Yeah, I mean, probably the only coin that makes sense to trade is actually BTC, because you know that it's going to be the first one to pump, and basically you can put heavier money into it as well, because it's not going to fail. It's not going to go to shit. So yeah, even for 5% trades as well, just don't use leverage. If you use, like, I don't know, bigger money, 5%, if you use like what, 20K, let's say, and if you make 5% a day, that's fucking $1,000 a day. You didn't really work your ass off for. So actually, no, actually 20K is a 4K a day, so crazy. Oh, wait a second. No, it's $1,000. So I was dividing it. So yeah, it's basically on 20K. You make 5%, is $1,000 a day. What you want more? You buy BTC, it moves up and down 5%. It doesn't move every day, but you can do that 3-4 times a day, 3-4 times a month. You make 4 times 1,000. You made the 4K. You live like a boss. So yeah, it's basically like zero risk, really. If any basically coin that is gonna recover the fastest is basically a Bitcoin. So risk is actually nothing. I might actually start trading it. You gave me actually a good idea because I'm bored in this fucking market, so it would actually make sense probably. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, because we have very few people watching because market is dead, then I will probably wrap up the stream. We have 8 people watching and only 7 likes, so one person haven't left a like. But it's insanely shit to stream. There is nobody alive. So yeah, guys, market sucks. Market sucks. I came to hang out, and those people that were texting me and commenting me, DMing me when I'm gonna do a stream. So I did it for you guys. And yeah, just watch it back and enjoy. And yeah, I will see when I'm gonna do a next one, because it's up to the market. If the market is gonna do well, if people are gonna come back to watch, and yeah, it's like I see every channel that just have insane views. 50,000 subscriber channels have 1,000 views. It's insane. Like it's just fact. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're well. Don't stress about the market. Life is good. Market will come back in the next few months, latest, and we'll make money again. I will make videos again every day. I will make live streams again every day. So it will be great. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and see you soon whenever I'm gonna do a stream. Take care. Bye bye.